Ka Phudmuri Presbyterian HSS Maulai Phudmuri Nekasngi Klapun ko burom ya san saungut ki samla bapas ba haka HSLC bat eki khat arngut bapas ba haka HSSLC jongsnam arjar arpho uba W Shubong assistant teacher ulap dian sobha ya baro ki podan haka chingra ki pun ko burom nodu kongsan ba te bor patha u executive member ka HGC but MDC ka Maulai constituency ki nong sharai balang ki nong hikai nodu ki principal piranja ki samuk li bat kwi kwe habakran shapang ka school uba te bor patha ulapun pau ba ka chingsongu ikmi pa ki balaseng ya ka school Phudmuri Presbyterian HSS nagamanta ki khana bakinyo ya ka chingnang jikstan kumju ru ulapun pau ya ka chingsongu iknai kai ki blala pas bhai ki samla kumba ki longmanta ki balasa pun ko buram.
This is a great achievement by this school, and we owe this to you teachers, the principal who has worked hard to let the student get this achievement as we have got today. Young friends, today is your graduation day. Today is the beginning of your life, that you should focus on your career. It does not mean that today you have got these mementos, that your study, you will put it down. Today, from today onward, you have to start on focusing on your career. It is a time that you should think of your career. And not only of your career, you should have an aim in life. Aim is very important to have in life. You have to have a target, what you are going to do in your life. If you don't have an aim in life, it is just like a boat without a boatman. Whenever the wave takes you, some other left or right will go down. But if you have an aim in life, it will be a boat with a boatman, where it will take you to a right direction.